One season, 32 teams, one quadrillion possible schedule combinations. So how does the NFL develop the optimal schedule? 10 years ago, the NFL used a whiteboard to manually craft 1 to 2 schedules per year. Today, the NFL relies on AWS to power its schedule-making process. As soon as the Super Bowl ends, the NFL starts running a complex algorithm to analyze potential season schedules until it finds the ideal one, accounting for over 30,000 factors. Since 2014, the NFL has analyzed over 1 million potential season schedules and utilized over 400,000 Amazon EC2 spot instances, equating to 200 million instance hours. Leveraging spot instances to build the season schedule has enabled the NFL to deliver a better fan experience and save them over $20 million. If AWS can do this for the NFL, imagine what it can do for your business.